3 Best Forex Trading Platforms for Beginners. If you dedicate as a beginner who just jumped into Forex, of course, has its own challenges. Starting from knowing how to work terms, to determine the right platform to use. The only best way is of course to have a mentor. If you prefer to study on your own, so you better understand how to do it, then it is better to immediately practice on the platform. Of course, you must be confused about which platform is right for beginners, right? Don't worry, this video will explain the best Forex trading platform for beginners. Top 3 Forex trading platform for beginners. 1. Platform Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4, or also known as MT4, is one platform that is quite popular and is liked by almost all people who play in Forex. For this reason, this platform is a platform that is quite popular and very popular. Therefore, this platform is the first recommendation you can use. Besides having a display that is easier to understand than the others, this platform has also been utilized by both brokers and other individual traders. The reason is that there are so many features that can help users to read and understand market conditions at the time. This platform has been developed since 2005. 2. Platform cTrader. cTrader is a newly developed platform. This is because this platform was just released in 2010. Even though it's been a long time, this platform still has a younger age compared to other trading platforms. One of the characteristics of this platform is that the trading activity process uses algorithmic calculations. Interestingly, this platform is available on various devices. You can access it via a PC, laptop, or even a smartphone. Because of this flexibility, it is also what makes brokerage firms recommend using this platform more than any other trading platform. 3. Platform SIRIX. Finally, there is SIRIX. Although it is not very powerful as the platform mentioned earlier, still this one platform is also included in the recommendations of the best Forex trading platform for beginners. There are many interesting features offered in it. Despite displaying a few indicators, the integration in social trading makes it look very competitive compared to other platforms. Unfortunately, to use this platform you must first install the program on a PC or laptop. Even so, it looks like a web platform, but as a beginner, you will also be easier to understand Forex when using this platform later. That's the 3 best Forex trading platform for beginners that you can use if you decide to dive into the world of Forex with experience and knowledge that is not yet qualified. With this platform, surely you will also be easier to understand Forex slowly later. The key back to yourself. If there is a will, whatever we have can be utilized as well as possible, like this platform for example, both easy and difficult, it will not be a significant problem later. Click the link below in the description to learn more.